So before I get into like the tutorial, okay, let's talk for a second. I have a new shirt. It's do you guys know who Katya is? If you don't, unsubscribe. This is a Katya. I don't Zashka Moshkava. Yeah, you know. It's a Katya shirt. If you guys don't watch Drag Race, she was a queen on Drag Race, and she's my spirit animal because she's absolutely crazy. So, like, same. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Scarlett. I am a diabetic girl who loves to do makeup and has a passion for fashion. And as you can see by the title today, we're gonna do a Morphe 3502 tutorial. Like a fiery ass look. So yeah, I'm really excited to be filming right now. Feel like I got my mojo back because for a while, if you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been uploading a lot recently. If you're still watching my videos, my god, if you are, thank you so much. I love you. It's kind of hard. Long story short, I did move. I moved out, as you guys can see. It's a different location. But I got a new job. I quit working at Ulta. You guys know this. I work at Kiehl's now. And I work for a skincare brand. Not that I don't love Kiehl's. I love skincare. But my passion is makeup and color. So working for a skincare brand kind of like took my inspiration away, I guess you could say. So not working with color and being around color all the time kind of did take my inspiration away. I would literally show up to work like this. If you guys know me, this isn't me. Like, this does not look like Scarlett. It doesn't even look like my personality. So, for you guys to know, I will be working at Bobbi Brown now. I'm super, super, super excited to be in color, especially Bobbi Brown, because I feel like me and Bobbi Brown got the same, like, what's the words I want to look for? We got the same, like, ideal for makeup. Like, you're not supposed to use makeup to cover things or give you confidence. Your confidence comes from within, and makeup is just to enhance your natural beauty. It is not to cover everything and make you a total different person. Like, it's totally cool if you feel that way, but like, I've always felt like you are beautiful regardless. There's always something beautiful about somebody. Unless your personality is absolute trash, then sorry about your luck, sis. Maybe be nice, but that was so rude. Long story short, yeah, I'm moving into color and I got really inspired recently. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram is Makeup by Scarlett, just like it is on here. I'll probably have it linked here. Usually forget to do that, but it is Makeup by Scarlett. I'll be doing a lot more looks. I've been posting a lot more mini tutorials just because why not? Also, my memory card was like not working out. Let's talk about it. Okay, first I'm gonna put on some Kiehl's lip balm. I do love their skincare. Like, my gosh, it's amazing. But my lips have been so dry recently, so yes, as you guys can see by the title and the intro, I'm doing a Morphe 3502 look. I've only played with this palette like once, so I think I'm gonna do a look that I've done. So if you guys haven't seen, this is what the palette looks like. We had a loss in the palette family. My husband was reaching for something and he actually dropped both of my Morphe palettes that I have. So I got this one in replacement because I heard this one's way better. I still have those two other palettes, but I have to depot everything. So I feel like my collarbone looks like, do I look like a skinny legend right now? Because I wish. Ooh, because it had names. Okay, if future Scarlett that's gonna edit this decides to put the names on the screen to let you guys know what it is. If not, I am sorry. But the first color I'm gonna go in with is just this really light brown. If you guys don't know, I always go in with a light brown to start my eyeshadow, like always. I am filming from this angle and I'm not behind a background because I kind of felt like it's more personal like this way, and I feel like I talk more when I do it like this instead of behind a backdrop. I don't know. I'm experiencing things, like I'm trying to figure out what I want to do, so just like work with me, you know. But I'm just going to take this on a Morphe E27 brush. If you guys don't know, this is my jam. So I'm just going to work this in my crease, doing windshield wiper motions. Anytime you take a eyeshadow that is going to be pretty much your base shadow, always do windshield wiper motions. Use a nice fluffy brush. and just go back and forth. Fill for the fold in the eyelid and just work from there. Promise, if you just find your fold right here and just wiggle back and forth, you'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna take this a darker shade here, I think. Am I gonna go that dark? No, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna take the shade here with my E28 brush from Morphe, which is just a more rounded version of that brush, and it's like less fluffy, but it's kind of like more rounded off. I'm just gonna work this in the crease, but not fluffing it all the way up, just working it in the crease, kind of keeping it here. It's not much of a darker shade, it's just more of an orange shade. So, and we're going for a fiery look, bro, like fire on the play. So I'm gonna go in with this red shade here. Actually, that's orange, like a darker orange. If you guys don't know, I live, breathe, die for warm tones. So pretty, love warm tones. So I'm gonna adjust my mirror. Gonna go in with this and work it in the crease. Just kind of getting the crease ready for all of this. Hello? I'm busy? Who even? Oh, Manny and Yue posted a picture. I don't know why I still have like post alerts. You guys remember whenever Instagram was like, if you guys want to see a certain person's post, you're gonna have to have your post notifications on? Like, bitch, why? And now YouTube thinks that they can do that too. So if you guys want to make sure you guys are alerted when I post a video, hit the bell icon down below, because YouTube be funky and thinks they can try people. So, funny story, YouTube, huh? Hello? Going back in with my E27 brush, girl, like always. If you guys don't have this brush, highly recommend. Like, it's just the brush. It's the brush. It's that beach. Going in with the lighter orange shade that's right next to it, with the E28 brush again, and just gonna kind of do a little bit of this. Here is what inspired me to do this look, because Katya's wearing like a bright red, what do you call that, hat? Like, I don't know what it is. Katya's drag persona, like when she walked in the room, was like Soviet Russian girl thing, whatever they're called. I don't know. I don't know. So that's what like the vibe is here. So just taking this brush and we're going to blend the lines. My husband's gonna come home and be like, whoa, dude. And I'll be like, you like? And he's probably gonna say yes. People always wonder why I take eyeshadow all the way up to here. But it's like, okay, so look at my eyelids. If I don't take it up all the way to here, my eyeshadow's gonna stop here. And that is, like, I have so much lid space. Why would I do that, is like what I tell people. Now we're gonna go in with this fiery color here, which one day when I wore this to work, everybody was like, why are you wearing so much pink eyeshadow? And I was like, thanks guys, it's red. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go in with my finger, to be honest. So I'm gonna rub my finger in there like hot Cheetos and pat this on the middle part of my lid. Kind of where we left that space, there's like nothing. We'll do the same on this side. It's so pretty, like how could you not? How could you not love this? It's gorgeous. Like so pretty. It looks like hot Cheeto dust is all over my hands. I'm fine with that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the lighter orange shade here, which is also a shimmer, and we're gonna put it in the inner thirds of our eye. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this brush, which is a M222 from Morphe, and this is like a softer pencil brush. So I use this kind of for like under my eyelid and around my eye. So I'm just gonna pop this here to add a little bit of dimension to the look, so it's not just like red. Like that. Do it again on this eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my wings. I'm gonna try to film this. like so. It depends on how thick you want it. I really don't want mine intensely thick. Also depends on how the wing goes. So let's do the wing. So I'm going to pull the wing from right here. Oh Jesus. I think my husband's home. Okay, so my husband's home. So I'm gonna finish this in a second, but I'm gonna do my second wing and I'll be right back. Okay, so wings are on, mascara's on. So I used the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Okay, so for the rest of this end of this video, just for this portion, I had to do a voiceover because my husband was playing his video game when he got home and it was so loud that I couldn't even hear myself talk. So I'm just putting a light gold in the inner corner just to make the eyes pop a little bit more, open up the eye. Then I'm going to apply some eyeliner. It's Urban Decay's Bourbon eyeliner. It's a nice dark brown. Oh, I didn't put that in. Okay, well, I put my Salon Perfect 615s on. Looks semi-normal. So then I put on some eyeliner, did my mascara on my lower lash line, then went in with BH Cosmetics Glow, Spotlight Glow. I don't really know what it's called. I used the shade, it's called, yeah, Spotlight Highlight Palette, and I used the shade Glow in that palette. Super pretty. A little bit goes a long way. So I put that on. And then the lipstick I used today was Working Girl by Lorac, one of my favorite nudes. So yeah, that is the end part of this video. I'm so sorry I didn't get to talk in this part, but you hear my outro. So yeah, that's all I did. Okay, bye. That's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you guys like to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.